What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Car Noob and today we're gonna add another modification to the BMW. We're gonna add new turn signals for the side mirrors. These are not just any turn signals, they're gonna be smoked turn signals, so they're gonna look a little bit darker, and they also are gonna be sequential, which should be looking pretty cool. I'm very excited about this, so we're gonna go ahead and try to get it installed. I have already done my side mirror cap, so I'm kind of familiar with the process of taking the mirror out. It has been a while, and I remember it being a little bit stressful because I was trying to make sure that the mirror doesn't break, because I know they're not the cheapest. But we're gonna give it a shot anyway. This should be a pretty easy install. The tools we're gonna be using today are gonna be just a prying tool like this. We're gonna use some electric tape most likely. We're gonna use a T10 Torx screwdriver. And we're also, I have it outside already, but we're also going to use microfiber cloth or something similar, just so that we make sure that the mirrors don't end up breaking. Alright, so this should be pretty simple, and let's get started. Before we get started though, I do want to show you guys something. So recently we got a new front bumper installed. I think it looks absolutely amazing. It makes the car look so much better. I have not done a reveal yet, but I think this is probably as good a time as any. So yeah, here it is. Oh yeah, the way it should look. But don't get used to that. It's gonna get changed soon. All right, so a while ago when we first got the car, about a year ago or so, we put these, sorry about the wind, we put these carbon fiber mirror caps. They were pretty inexpensive and definitely not true carbon fiber, but sitting in the sun all day long, it kind of melted this plastic film that goes over, so now we just have this kind of exposed. Yeah, I'm gonna get those replaced soon, so if we do end up breaking something on the caps, I'm not gonna be too worried, because I do want to get those replaced anyway. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna use a microfiber cloth here, just because something like this can be a little bit too strong, and I don't know, it just end up breaking that mirror. So we're just gonna basically do something like this. Just gonna cover it with that, and the key is you have to kind of move it. You have to kind of move it up. So you're gonna press this so that it frees up a little bit of room here. And I hope this doesn't break. And we're just gonna move this in here. Cool. Easy peasy. So we have this out. Now that that's out, we're just gonna kind of set that here on the side. Okay, so what we're gonna have to do, looks like, is release these. Like so. Release these. Really quick what that looks like. So we have one clip here that we just did. We have one more clip right there. And we have Torx, T10 Torx here, T10 Torx here. There's another T10 down here. And I believe there was one additional one right there. of them. I broke one right here. It's okay, as I said, it doesn't matter. This is a crappy one anyway. All right. Cool, so what we need to do here is get this guy out of there. So we're gonna get that done now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And one more here. Okay, pretty simple here. We're just gonna go ahead and unplug this guy. And this is the stock. This is the difference. They look pretty much the same. There's one thing that I'm noticing with the aftermarket one is that right here, you can kind of feel this. It's like grooved, while this is smooth, and the grooved part is like on the inside. But other than that, everything looks pretty good. Okay, so the reason we said we will need electric tape is for this part right here. I'm gonna try, yeah, see how that it just can come out easily on its own. That's what it's for. All right, just like that. And how are we gonna do this? So I think we have to slide this part in. Yeah. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the screws back in, see if it works. Nice. Yeah, so see how in here you can barely see? The only place you can see is like right here and right here. This one, all of it lights up. Yeah, that looks much better. Still really bright out, so it's hard to tell. I'll try to do another video and it's a little darker so we can see. Sweet. All right, that looks so much better. Yeah. Cool. So that was it, guys. We've got the LED turn signals installed. I really like how they look. Even if they didn't light up the way that they do, like sequential and all of that, I still think they would look amazing just because how smoked out they are compared to stock. And even if they weren't sequential, if they just lit up, also would be worthy upgrade just because of how how well they light up, like the whole thing lights up versus just like one end or the other. I think this is an awesome modification. It's fairly inexpensive. I'll throw down the link in the description below. So yeah, if you have any questions or anything like that, please feel free to comment. That's it for this video, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.